Mormugaon port needs to invest a lot more in procuring harbor cranes. So the ministry's advice was to go through a PPP model, which we have already done, that like redevelopment of two berths, 10 and 11. That tender is currently going on, and the price bids also have been invited. So this redevelopment of berths 10 and 11 would also include provision of necessary cranes to handle the containers. So we will wait for the price bids to be opened, and then we will decide the future course of action. At the same time, we have also asked the ministry, in case the tender fails, or if nobody is coming forward for the redevelopment of the berths, the ministry has agreed to provide the necessary funding to Mormugaon port for procurement of cranes, which we will be using for the movement of containerized cargo. See, when we say soon, the harbor cranes are very huge cranes, 100 tons, 120 tons. These have to be procured, and in the market there are very few suppliers of these cranes. So it's a question of maybe 6 to 8 months for these cranes to be installed, and then only we'll be able to handle the cranes. Even if it is given through a PPP model, the vendor will take that much time for bringing in the cranes. But at the same time, we have one harbor crane with us, with which we will be able to at least move limited number of containers.
सागरमाला अंडर 5 कोटी रुपया मोडून गोंयांत खंय 40 प्रोजेक्ट.
I know around 40 projects have been sanctioned in Goa itself, and some projects have already been made operational. Something like around 5,000 to 6,000 crores of investment is from the Sagarmala program only for the Goa state.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.